Hey everyone, I'm Iad from the Visibuild team, and today I'm going to take you through how to utilize the multi-template tracker on Visibuild. So to get to the multi-template tracker, what you need to do is click template tracker on the left side panel. That will take you to this view to select either multi-template or single template trackers. And I just want to hit view tracker over here. And that'll take me to all the templates that have been created on the project, that have been published and created as well. So what you can do, you can scroll through this. Now this will give you a list of all the locations that were set up on your project, broken down however you've broken them down. And on the top panel, you'll have all the templates that have been published on your project, grouped up by company. So you can see Visibuild has created all of these, but if I scroll a bit further, I'll start seeing all the subcontractor templates as well. So you can see Touch has a couple of templates, Concrete & Co. And what this table is telling me is how many of that template has been created in each location. So for instance, if I look at construction, I can see that the Concrete & Co. concrete post pour template has been created 53 times under the construction location. Now, if I expand the construction location further, that'll break down where those 53 have been created. So if I click that now, they're all in Tower 1. I expand that a bit more, and you can see in foundation it's been created twice, in basement 4 it's created 12 times, and so forth. So you can keep expanding to find where this is all located. Suspended slab, and you can see it's broken down between all the pours on basement 4. So this is a really handy tool to understand how things are working on all your templates all at once. Now the beauty of this system as well is that you can start grouping or filtering for different templates. What I mean by that, let's say I only want to look at construction. I only care about Tower 1. I can filter for Tower 1 and select everything underneath it by pressing select all. What that's going to do, it's going to filter only for that tower from my location tree, and it's going to spit out those values. Now what I can also do from this point is I don't care about all these random templates that are in there. What I want to look at is I'm looking after the pre-sheeting. I care about what's happening with the rough-in. I care about what's happening with pre-sheets. I can then filter for certain templates as well. So if I just search rough-in, I can select all of my rough-in templates that are on the project, and that'll update my view again with only those templates. And you can see all these templates have been created into Tower 1. If I collapse Tower 1, it'll tell me how many are in total. So what can I do from here as well? Let's say this is the view I've got. What I care about is I only care about what's hidden, has visis in there, and I want to hide all the empty ones. I can go into display options. I can click hide empty templates, and I can click hide empty locations. So that'll remove all the empty spots, and you can also toggle to see these as percentages instead if you're looking for a tracking purpose. Or you can toggle to include everything that's within it. Now, let's say we're not happy with how these are ordered. What you can also do is you can change the order. So I can actually go by custom order, and I can move these around to whatever order I think they need to be in. So hydraulics first, let's say dry fire comes second, let's say mechanical comes third, and that'll automatically update everything in here. And what I want to do after that, I'm happy with this view, I'm happy with how this looks. I can save that view as well, and I can call it rough-in Tower 1. And I'll hit save, and that'll save that view for me. So anytime I come back in to look at the multi-template tracker, I don't have to recreate all those filters. I can just switch view and click on that view that I've created. You can also see views created by others on your project by looking through that list. What I can also do from the template tracker is I can see the status of each item, or each template in each location. And if I click into level 1, let's say, I can drill down on where that's sitting at the moment, and I can see in zone 1 or in zone 6, for instance, Mech Air Rough-in has one inspection that hasn't been completed. But instead of having to look for it, what I can do is I can click onto this, I can bring up the inspection, I can see there's one item missing, and I can go straight in and see what that is. You can see fire dampers needs to be filled out and reviewed.